Any trees with marms in them, like this one right here, there's 3 marms right there. One of those is likely to break off. Maybe not in this windstorm, but at some point. These trees are more dangerous, and it is safer to not let them grow when you see them getting to split like that. Oh, there goes the firefighters. Or just don't let them grow, chop them down if you have them in the yard, because they're not likely to split off at the base. Any one of those marms is way more likely to blow off in a storm like this, which then just ends up killing the tree. And, oh, look at that bin go! Oh my gosh!